Today I'm making some delicious garlic bread using my air fryer. It starts with just some butter, Parmesan cheese, some garlic cloves, dried parsley, and of course some bread. I bought this 2-pack of Take and Bake baguettes. I only baked one of them so I can have another tomorrow. Once this bread is baked and cooled, I just like to slice it into these nice slices, maybe about an inch thick. You don't want them to get any more than that, otherwise they get too hard to eat. And then once it's all sliced up, we're ready to get started. The butter, I make sure it's softened. Unless it's been sitting out a while, I'll give it a quick zap in the microwave. And then add in the freshly minced garlic. I like to stir it a little bit at this point just to verify that that garlic really is softened all the way through and will mix really well. This batch looks really good, so now I can add in my parsley, give that a good stir, and make a nice mixture. And at this point it's still a very loose, softened butter texture, but we're going to change all that by adding all this grated Parmesan cheese. And when you add this cheese, you think, oh my goodness, there's simply too much here, it's not going to mix in, but it does. You can see this made a nice thick paste, and this is ready to go on the bread. I have a nice flat air fryer basket, and so these are all going to fit on here very nicely. I do like to make a nice single layer. If you have a smaller basket, you may need to do this in multiple batches. But just put a nice thick layer of the butter mixture on each slice of bread and place that in the air fryer basket. You can see I have this much of the butter left over, which might seem like a tragedy, except remember I do have one more baguette that I can make tomorrow. I'm going to air fry these for 5 minutes at 350 degrees, and at the end of that time they are crispy and yummy. You can always add a minute or two if you want these to be a little bit more brown, but I like these just as is. I have them with soup, with my spaghetti meals. They are simply delicious. I hope you try them soon, because if you do, I know you'll love them. Enjoy.